Psycho-cybernetics is a groundbreaking concept that explores the interplay between the mind and success. Psycho-cybernetics delves into how our self-image shapes our reality and influences our achievements. At the heart of psycho-cybernetics lies the idea of the self-image, the mental blueprint we hold of ourselves. Dr. Maltz posited that our actions and behaviors are governed by this self-image, acting as a sort of thermostat that regulates our level of success and happiness. If our self-image is positive and empowering, we tend to excel in various aspects of our lives. Conversely, a negative self-image can hold us back, leading to self-doubt, fear, and limitations. Central to the concept of psycho-cybernetics is the notion that the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between reality and imagination. By vividly visualizing our goals and desired outcomes, we can effectively program our subconscious to work towards manifesting those realities. Visualization is not merely wishful thinking, it's a powerful tool for reprogramming the mind and aligning our actions with our aspirations. Positive affirmation is another key component of psycho-cybernetics. By repeatedly affirming positive beliefs about ourselves and our abilities, we can overwrite negative self-talk and ingrained limiting beliefs. Affirmations serve to reinforce our desired self-image, instilling confidence, motivation, and resilience. Goal setting is fundamental to the psycho-cybernetics process. By setting clear, achievable goals and breaking them down into actionable steps, we provide our subconscious mind with a roadmap for success. Goals act as a beacon, guiding our thoughts and actions towards our desired destination. Self-image psychology also emphasizes the importance of self-acceptance and self-love. By cultivating a deep sense of self-worth and acknowledging our inherent value, we can overcome feelings of inadequacy and insecurity. Self-love is the foundation upon which a positive self-image is built, empowering us to pursue our dreams with courage and conviction. Psycho-cybernetics has been embraced by athletes, entrepreneurs, and individuals from all walks of life seeking to unlock their full potential. From visualizing success on the playing field to affirming business acumen and leadership skills, the principles of psycho-cybernetics have been instrumental in achieving peak performance and personal growth. In conclusion, psycho-cybernetics offers a transformative approach to personal development and success. By harnessing the power of the mind through visualization, positive affirmation, and goal setting, we can break free from self-imposed limitations and create the life we desire. As Dr. Maltz famously said, "You are the captain of your ship, the master of your destiny." With psycho-cybernetics as our compass, we can navigate towards a future filled with unlimited potential and boundless possibilities.